All right, everyone, welcome to the solution video for question 4 on while loop worksheet number 2, where we are creating a program that takes a known amount of names and we're going to output the longest name of all the names inputted. We're going to know that the input ends when the user inputs a string of X, so we're going to base our loop around that. So here we go. We're going to have user input. I'm going to set that to empty for initializing it to an empty string. Then we're going to go, well, while our user input, let's get rid of that, it's there, doesn't equal X, we're going to continuously loop and get some numbers. That should be a little bar right here. So we're going to get user input, it's equal to input, enter a name, and now I'm done setting up my code. What I want to do is every time I get the user input, if it's longer than the previous found longest name, I'm going to update that variable. So I need a tracking variable, so we're going to call it longest name, set it to empty, initializing an empty longest name variable. Pretty much every time I find a longer one, I'm going to update that value. We can use a length function here because there are strings. We're going to say if our user input is longer than the length of our longest name that we found before, and it can't be X because that can't be our name. The user input cannot equal X. At this point, our longest name is going to be updated to the current user input. So end of while loop here. And when our while loop finished, we can say the print the longest name is whatever the value longest name. There we go. Let's test this program. Enter a name. We're going to enter Park, Mr. Longest name program. Hello, A, and X. So if you notice, we entered the variable or a string of X, and that ended our while loop. Whereas we were entering all these random names, it was continuously looping and entering a new name at every loop, and it was able to determine that the longest name inputted was the longest name for this program. Thank you for watching. Stay classy.